this luxury home photography, and look what I got here. It's a mechanical pencil. It's quite the best pencil ever. Let's see how well it writes. It even writes on an enclosure very well. Wait, where are the marks? What the? Someone broke it! How? Ah! Someone broke it! Ah! No, someone broke the best pencil ever. Ah! It's a good thing I have a little ball here. Wait. This is toy! Ah! Ah! And it's gone now. Worst toy ever! It doesn't even have any electronics in it. Ah! Ah! Where? Ah! Ew! I hate cheap crap. How about this guy? This is some Sony speaker. What? Hey, where's the drivers? Someone took out the drivers! Ah! Oh no! I had to lift the camera up for this. The stupid MDF crap. I'm gonna find you a better tripod. This is loud. Jeez. That's quite easy and loud. You know, screw that. Whoa. Nope. Guess I'll finish that off later. Or maybe not, who knows. Forgot that I still had this guy. But there's no speakers, it's just the box and the cabinet. Oh well. Yeah, most of it, the mess cleaned up. But anyway. Wow. He's loud as heck. Ow. Oh well. It's kind of a waste of time.